So what's up, gang? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. And of course, we are back in this video, and it's your boy Vidul, okay? It's your boy Vidul representing the Forex bulls, okay? So you know, guys, of course the easiest way to grow is actually by facing new challenges. So I was like, okay, I need to grow. So I decided to face a new challenge. I said I'm actually going to double the 100k Uganda shillings. I that's about $30. So what I did was actually deposit 100k Uganda shillings in my trading account. And guess what happened? Actually turned the 100k Uganda shillings to 300k. So I was actually like, I need to post a breakdown for my team to see this. So I'm actually going to be breaking down the trade. Actually recorded the breakdown even before the trade was actually in profits. So if you guys like the video, of course, please make sure you thumbs up this video for the YouTube algorithm, and of course make sure you hit the subscribe button to see the community grow. It's up, you guys, what I'm saying. So we are going to get into the video right away. Let's get started. What's up, gang? What's up? So I'm actually going to be breaking this trade for you, okay? Let me break it down for this trade for you. It was actually sent in our VIP signals group, but let me show you how I actually came up with this trade. So of course the first thing is I always start from a bigger time frame, H4, and then I zoom out, okay? I zoom out to see what exactly is happening. Is it a downtrend? Is it an uptrend? Okay, so that's the first thing always. So as you guys can see currently here, this was a super downtrend, as you guys can see in here, because we can see lower lows and lower highs. Let me show you something real quick. Sorry, remember we said downtrend. Of course we are looking for these lower lows, okay? Lower lows and lower highs. And guess what? It's the same thing happening in here, okay? It's the same thing happening in here. So that's the first confirmation that I'm actually looking at. So that proves me that, okay, it's a downtrend. Good. Now what else? What has to be done? So the second thing now is I'm looking for these big key levels. So I was actually looking for the support levels and the resistance levels. So I'm actually going to draw some with you guys. Let's use a horizontal line. So we have so we have these levels here. So we have, I'd actually drawn some already. So we have a level here. Remember, we take these levels when we can at least trace 3 touches, okay? When the market touched such a level 3 times, okay? So we can see that we have the first touch, the second touch. If we adjusted this a little bit, we can see we have the third touch, and on and on. And then we also have this main level here, this being the support. You can see that the market was pushing down, but then later supported up. It was pushing down and then later supported up, okay? Let me zoom in a little bit for you. Zoom in a little bit for you guys. You can see that this is a support level, support level, support level. So I'm actually looking at the market pushing down up to this support level, okay? So when it reaches this support level, I'll exit the trade, okay? Now check this out. So this being the first thing, so again we can see that this is a channel where we can see that, remember, it's a downtrend, just like how we had said. So we have a first trend line up and then the second trend line down. The second trend line, we have this touch and then this touch. So we expect the market to push downwards. Cool. So let's get down to a smaller time frame. I usually go to H1. Then let me adjust a little bit for you guys to see. Now I'm going to zoom zoom in a little bit, so you can see that this we had marked out this level here, this support level, but it was broken this time around, and we saw a kind of a retest. You can see this week here, this is our week on the H1. So you can see this retest, and then the market pushed down, okay? And then the market pushed down. Check this out, pushed down. Now I'm actually looking at this as a pullback. So I marked out this level, this being a pullback. So I actually entered the trade from this particular point here. So I actually shared this same setup with the team on Telegram. You can actually check the link in the description below to join the main Telegram channel. So check this out. So after noticing that it was actually a pullback, so I actually scaled down to M15 to see what exactly now is coming up, because on M15 it's where I get entries. Okay, it's where I actually get entries. So I actually entered this trade at this level here. I entered this trade at this level here. You can see that the positions actually opened up, they're in profits already. But then I actually expect the market to push, to keep pushing downwards up to at least 30 or something, 40 pips. Okay, so I'll be coming back with the trade, guys, and what exactly is happening. So, and of course, as you guys can see, you can see that we actually hit take profit. We actually hit take profit already. We actually hit take profit, and those were about 40 pips in this one trade. And you can see that the trades got into profits. Actually got the account from 100k Ghana shillings to up to 300k Ghana shillings. So again, right now I see another trade coming up. It's the same concept again. This has been a pullback, so I'm actually going to scale in some more trades here, a sale. Okay, so I'd scale in a sale and then bring my stop loss a little bit above, and then extend the take profit. At least this is enough. So why? Because again, just like what I told you, we are basically again making entries at the pullbacks, because at least we already know that it's a downtrend and the market is pushing downwards. Okay, so that's how easy the concept is. Okay, that's how easy the concept is. Again, if I'm to break it down again for you guys, you can see that we had these levels here. We had this level here, right? So we also have this level here. So I expect the market to come to break this level. Most probably after breaking the level, it will either, it may not break or it might break. So if it breaks, it will come back for it will actually come back for a retest. To come back for a retest back to the same level, because it was a key level initially. If we zoomed in out a little bit, you can see that it was actually a key level. So we are basically either waiting for the market to break down, but one thing to assure you is this trade would finally get into deep profits. Okay, so the concept is I actually had to hold a trade. So maybe bringing in one tip on psychology is you just have to keep your trades. Okay, don't allow to be taken over by emotions, wanting to close trades too early, or maybe allowing fear to take over and stuff like that. You just have to keep strong and let the trades to keep running. Okay, that's the main concept behind. So because if it wasn't by patience or handling my emotions, or maybe I would have closed the trade so early. But then you can see that I had to hold the trade, and actually you can see that I've entered another trade currently, and you can see that it's actually getting into deep profits already. It's getting into deep profits. Look at that drip, look at that drip. Okay, so that's it that I had for you guys. And of course, please make sure you hit the like button, of course, and make sure you subscribe to see the community grow. And I'll be back in another video, guys. I'm out.